Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to make and send HD videos on WhatsApp. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to ensure your videos are shared in the best possible quality. First, let's start by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, select the chat where you want to send your HD video. Now, tap the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. This will open up a menu where you can choose from various options like photos, videos, documents, and more. From this menu, select Gallery to access your stored videos. Browse through your gallery and choose the HD video you want to share. Once you've selected the video, you'll notice an HD icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to ensure that your video is sent in HD quality. This feature is crucial because it allows WhatsApp to maintain the original quality of your video as much as possible. After selecting the HD option, tap Send to start uploading your video. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Remember, WhatsApp has a file size limit of 16 megabytes for videos, so if your video is larger, you might need to compress it first using a video compressor tool. Sending HD videos on WhatsApp is not just about the technical steps. It's also about ensuring that your recipients get to enjoy your content in the best possible quality. Whether you're sharing a special moment or a creative project, using the HD feature can make all the difference. In conclusion, sending HD videos on WhatsApp is easier than you think. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your videos are shared in high definition, making them more enjoyable for your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below.